Hello children, a very good morning to all of you. I am class 2 teacher Pavani. Today I will be teaching you chapter 3 addition. But before starting the class, let me show you something. Children, what are these? Tomatoes. There are some tomatoes in one plate and some tomatoes in another plate. Now we will count the tomatoes in the first plate. 1, 2, 3. 3 tomatoes in one plate. 1, 2, 3. 3 tomatoes in another plate. Now we will put all these tomatoes together and count once again. Now we will count the tomatoes once again. 1, 2, 3. 3 after, 4, 5, 6. Now how many tomatoes are there altogether? 6 tomatoes. One more example children. What are these? Marigold flowers. These are marigold flowers. There are some marigold flowers in one plate and some in another plate. Now we will count in the first plate. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 marigold flowers in one plate and 1, 2, 3. 3 marigold flowers in another plate. Now we will put these all flowers together and count once again. We will count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 after, 5, 6, 7. Now how many marigold flowers are there altogether? 7 marigold flowers. Then what I am doing here? Here I am joining two amounts together and finding the total. Joining or putting two amounts together to find out the total is called addition. We will learn more about addition in this class.
Children, what do you see here? You see some mangoes. There are 4 mangoes in a red ball and 2 mangoes in a blue ball. We will count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mangoes. 1, 2. 2 mangoes. When these 4 mangoes and 2 mangoes are put together, total how many mangoes we got? We'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 mangoes. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 mangoes. 4 after, keep 2 in your mind. 5, 6. 6 mangoes. Some apples are here. There are 3 apples in this box and 2 apples in another box. We will count. 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. 1, 2. 2 apples. When these 3 apples and 2 apples are put together, what is the total of the apples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples altogether. Some matchsticks are here. There are some 5 matchsticks in one box and 5 matchsticks in another box. We will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 matchsticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 matchsticks. When these 5 matchsticks and 5 matchsticks are put together, what is the total of the matchsticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 matchsticks altogether. Some leaves are here. There are some 5 leaves in one box and 4 leaves in another box. We will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 leaves. When these 5 leaves and 4 leaves are put together, how many leaves we got altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 leaves altogether. But what are we doing? We are doing addition. Putting two amounts together and finding the total, we are doing here addition. Putting or joining the things together to find out the total or sum is called addition. Addition means putting two amounts together. See here, there is one girl plus two girls. One after, keep two in your mind, 2, 3. How many girls are there? There are 3 girls. 2 plus 2. Keep 2 in your mind, 2 on your fingers. 2 after, 3, 4 is equal to 4. So we are adding or putting the things together. Plus is the sign of addition. This is the sign of addition. Addition of numbers always starts from the ones place. This is ones place. So in addition, the addition always starts from the ones place. The numbers to be added are called addends, and the answer we get after adding is called the sum. Here 4 and 1 are called as addends. We are adding 4 and 1. After adding 4 and 1, what is the answer we got? 5. This 5 is called as the sum. 9 plus 2 is equals to 11. So 9 and 2 are addends. We are adding this 9 and 2. After adding 9 and 2, what is the answer we got? 11. This 11 is called as sum. Here also. 35, 21. Here in ones place, 5 and 1 are called as addends. After adding 5 and 1, we got the answer 6. This is called as sum. In tens place, 3 and 2 we are adding. So 3 and 2 are called as addends. And after adding 3 and 2, 5 we got the answer. This 5 is called as the sum. So 35 and 21 are called as addends. And after adding them, 56 is the answer. This is called as the sum. In addition, even after changing the order of addends, the sum does not change. See, in ones place 3, 4 and in tens place 2, 4. So ones place 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. 2 plus 4 is equals to 67. So 23 plus 44 is equals to 67. Now here we are reversing these numbers. In this place we are reversing the numbers by changing the order of the numbers and we are doing the addition. So first 44 we are taking 4 in ones place and 4 in tens place. 23 we are taking 3 in ones place and 2 in tens place. We are reversing the numbers, but what is the answer we got? Same, 67. So even if the order of the numbers change, the sum does not change. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. So here 3 plus 4, the answer is got 7, and 4 plus 3 also the answer is 7. So even the order of the numbers change, the sum does not change.
Children, remember these points. First point, putting things together to find out the total number is called addition. Second point, addition of numbers always starts from the ones place. Third point, the sign of addition is plus. Fourth point, the numbers to be added are called addends. Here there is a new word, addends. How do you spell? A-D-D-E-N-D-S. Addends. A-D-D, add, E-N-D-S. Addends. Addends. Fifth point, the answer in addition is called the sum. Sixth point, even if the order of the addends change, the sum does not change. I hope you all understood till here. Children, in the next one we have... Okay children, I hope you all understood the class. Do the given assignment in the class workbook neatly. We will meet in the next class. Bye.